everybody, and welcome back to Syracuse Aviation. Before we get started, make sure you guys like this video down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So today I have another model aircraft unboxing for you guys. Two models in here from Aviation 400. Won't be saying the retailer that I got them from because it was kind of a special anonymous, if you will, because of the Emirates licensing issue. So I'm just gonna get these out of the box here, and we'll show you guys what these aircraft are all about. Okay, here we go. Open these bad boys up. I'm gonna stand up for this just to make it easier. And the Emirates A380, of course, as I was referencing, and then the Qantas as well. Both by none other than Aviation 400. Yeah, so you can tell they're really being careful with their licensing here because it's just a blank A380 on there. There's no sign of Emirates really. I think you can kind of see some Etihad liveries on that box, but aside from that, I mean, there's literally nothing else that would signify Emirates. So I'm going to start with this one, I think. So, looking good. The new livery, of course. Really wanted to get this one. I didn't think I would, to be honest, because, I didn't think I'd be able to, I should say, because whenever I searched for it, it didn't seem that anyone had them because of the licensing problems. But I was able to work this out with someone, so I'm very fortunate for that to have been able to work out. And here it is, the Emirates A380 new colors by Aviation 400, looking absolutely incredible as per usual. So make sure you put these in the right way. They go farther forward rather than backwards, so keep that in mind. And then obviously your the wing pieces as well. And she is all set. Yep. Beautiful, beautiful model, of course. Typical Aviation 400 quality. Generally don't have any issues with them. I have occasionally, but this is typically how they arrive, just perfect. So, okay, now for the Qantas. So same deal here, just go ahead and get this guy out, show you what we are looking at here. Probably not going to review these in this video. I'll probably leave them to their own separate videos, just so they can be a little bit more focused. Let's go ahead and put the gear in again. Love these magnetic gears, they're so cool. To be able to have options for configurations is something that I think is just really special. So I always love that feature. Gonna have to take this one too. Pop those guys out of there. Move that off to the side. And get these little guys in there. So, pretty simple. Pretty nice. Oh, where's my nose gear? There it is. Yeah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. You guys, man, look at these two, side by side. Let me move the box. And the stands, and we'll just set these guys next to each other and show you what we are looking at here. Wow. Yes. Very, very, very nice. Highly recommend both of these. Yeah, definitely recommend you guys get these if you can find them anywhere. Both definitely worth it. yeah, go pick these up, because once they're gone, if you want them and they sell out, it's gonna be you're gonna have one heck of a time trying to find them, at least for a decent price. So get them while you can, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy them. Hope you enjoyed today's little unboxing for you guys. Channel has kind of been out of whack. I think this video I was planning to upload like a month ago, but these aircraft just didn't arrive to me. It took the retailer way longer to send these out than anticipated, and this was supposed to be the first the first video after I got back home, actually, from college, and they just never showed up. So I'm kind of a month behind. I do have many videos on the way. I have a lot of editing to do, lots of things to go over from Airliners International, lots of airport updates to do, tons of trip reports, just a lot of stuff. So bear with me. Things might seem a little out of order, and they will be. I apologize. There's just nothing I can really do about it at this point. So hope you guys are looking forward to everything to come. Thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.